Hello everybody, this is Tao Exam Coach. Today I want to comment an interesting questions from my friends of GMAT Club. This question is a GMAT quantitative question and says as follows: which of the following is a factor of 18 factorial plus 1? Alright, we have 5 answer choices and we need to choose the correct one. That is basically what you need to do in the problem-solving question format. But is it really practical to try and calculate what is the exact value of 18 factorial, which is a very long product, all positive integers from 1 through 18, that is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, etc., up to times 17 times 18. And then add 1 and then check if this large number is divisible or not by any of the 5 answer choices. Well, the truth is we don't need to do that. What we can reason is that 18 factorial plus 1 is actually a consecutive integer to 18 factorial, because 18 factorial itself is a large integer, and 18 factorial plus 1 is just the number that goes after 18 factorial, the consecutive integer of 18 factorial. And there is a property of integers that says that two consecutive integers, that is, two integers whose difference is 1, cannot share any common integer factors but 1. That is, 18 factorial and 18 factorial plus 1 cannot have any common divisors but number 1. So this means that if we know that 18 factorial is divisible by certain factors, 18 factorial plus 1 cannot be divisible by those same factors because of this property. But it is truly obvious that 18 factorial can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., all integers between 1 and 18. And if it is divisible by any of these 18 integers, then, for example, 18 factorial plus 1 couldn't be divided by, for example, 15. Why not? Because being divisible by 15, right, means that the number is divisible by 3 and by 5. And since 18 factorial is divisible by 3 and by 5, then the consecutive integer to 18 factorial, that is 18 factorial plus 1, cannot be divided by those two same integers, 3 and 5. So we can discard option A as the correct answer choice. The same would go to 17. Since 18 factorial is divisible by 17, 18 factorial plus 1 cannot. What about 33? 33 is just the product of 3 and 11. Since 18 factorial is divisible by 3 and 11 at the same time, 18 factorial plus 1 cannot be divided by 3 or by 11, so cannot be divided by 33. And so we could reason for 39. 39 is divisible by 3 and 13. So since 18 factorial is divisible by 3 and 13 at the same time, 18 factorial plus 1 cannot. We've discarded 4 answer choices, which leaves us with option C as the only possibly correct answer choice. The correct answer choice must then be C, 19. Okay, that's it for today. See you on the next video.